What's happening, everybody? Today, we're planting something that I love to have in the house. My wife makes some fantastic salsa, and it all starts with cilantro. That's what we're transplanting today. Stick with me. Let's get to it. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're transplanting two types of cilantro that we started from seed. Now, the cilantro I have right now, it's pretty weak. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll have to see what happens, but I'm gonna show you here in a minute. We're gonna start with this one here. So, this is Calypso cilantro that we're gonna plant. Again, my wife makes some fantastic salsa. It starts with tomato and cilantro. So, we're gonna dig this up so we can plant this out. I got two of them in here. So just like if you watch my last couple of videos when I planted the broccoli and the cauliflower, I put them at angles in these square foot garden patches that I have. Put them at an angle, that way they're not on top of each other, and if I put everything at an angle, it's kind of uniform throughout the garden bed. So this, we have Calypso cilantro. Put our little tag here so we know what it is later on. I need to be very careful with this. I don't know how this is going to work out. This one we're going to put on the inside. Very weak, almost dead. But we're going to plant it anyway. Just trying to be very careful with it. It probably ain't going to make it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so this next one, this one's doing okay. I'm probably doing these a little early, but my cilantro, it's cooler weather. It's okay. And I want to get this stuff out of my house. Now that it's cooler, I can put my stuff in my greenhouse. I got a greenhouse. I did a video on that. Check it out. I'll just leave it at that. All right, so this last cilantro here, take this out. I put it between my fingers so I give it support. Squeeze the sides so everything comes out. Most of it released. Drop it in here. Now try not to pick these up by their stems, because you don't want to snap their stem. And give it some support. I know a bunch of you are probably saying, oh my God, look how small it is. It's okay. If it doesn't work, I'll just replant. All right, so that's two. That one, not gonna make it, I'm sure. We'll see what happens. This one, that one's doing pretty good. All right, here we go. Here's my second one. Once again, very weak. I'm probably gonna replant these, end up replanting them, but we'll see what happens. We'll give it a try. We're going deep with these because I want to give the stem some support. Again, this is Calypso cilantro. And I got like three of them right next to each other here. So I don't know how I'm going to break this up. All right, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to plant this one here, just like this. Try and give it as much support as I can. It's ugly. It's ugly. It's so weak. But we'll see what happens. Chunks and wood chips and everything out of here. They really get in the way. They're not doing hot. I'm not even going to zoom in on these. They're probably not going to do well, but that's okay. Let's get to the next type of cilantro. All right, so our next type of cilantro is coriander cilantro. I have 4 of these in here. They're very small, is what it is. It's still early. My last frost isn't supposed to be for another 3 weeks, but the weather looks pretty good, at least for the next 2 weeks. It's not going to get at least down in the 30s at night. It's in the mid 40s, 50s, and even 60s at night. So I think we're okay. That's why I'm planting or transplanting the cold hardy stuff now, broccoli, cauliflower, cilantro, because it can handle those colder nights. All right, so coriander, cilantro. Make sure you clean out your garden beds real good before you start planting. This is the type of stuff that you don't want in there. It's not gonna help. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna be very careful. I'm gonna have to split these up. Because again, I got 4 of them in here. And I'm gonna put 2 in this side and then 2 over here. Squeeze the sides. Lets everything come out. See how wet that is? That's why they're so weak. I was doing bottom watering this year, and I don't know that I'll do that again. Maybe I just need to do some more research on it, but I just didn't do very well at bottom watering. So we're gonna place these over here. And then I have this one. This one's actually doing pretty good. So we're gonna drop this down in the hole. So I don't have this coriander cilantro in the same place as my calypso cilantro because I'm planting these next to tomatoes. So I have them spread out. So cilantro, tomato, cilantro, tomato. And then I got some other stuff going on in here too that I'll end up doing videos on. So here we have one little cilantro. I know I'm wasting my time with this. So I'm just planting those in, giving them some support all around them. That's my coriander cilantro. I'm gonna replant another one over here, the one that I had blew away. So there we have it. So I got one here, and another coriander cilantro here. Appreciate you stopping in. That's cilantro. Come back for my next videos. I'm planting all kind of stuff here over the next week or two. First of all my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Think about it. It's free. Give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Hit the like button. All that good stuff. Share it with your friends. Have a fantastic rest of your week. And take care of each other.